biggest challenges are for people in your sort of role in the analytical world when it comes to cell and gene therapies? What are the big challenges that they face?
Well, the biggest challenge that we faced is how to translate the principles and practices that we've learned with other modalities into these even more squishy modalities. I joke a lot about, we're dealing with squishy methods and squishy molecules, and that's true. And with cell and gene therapy, that's on steroids. The gene therapy world has a lot more consistency and control associated with their modality of product. They're amenable to being stored as a drug substance and being formulated as a drug product and have longer shelf lives. But with the cellular therapy products, and I've worked on many of them. I mean, the sexy one right now is CAR T, but I've worked on a number of cellular therapy products for many years, and they are individually very challenging. And it does take the best science you can bring to the table to try to figure out how to do things correctly to achieve the compliance goals and achieve the control goals, the total control strategy for these modalities. But again, people with experience that are able, I mean, at the beginning of Well Characterized, that's exactly what happened. There were no monoclonal antibodies that were being produced in a recombinant way in the beginning, and very clever people got together and pulled science discussions together to have regulations generated, guidances generated, practices generated, and the field exploded because smart people did their job. And that's the same thing here. Smart people do their job, but it does challenge you to try to wrap your head around, how do I do this validation of that method? What are the principles that apply over here, and how can I make that happen experimentally? That's a fascinating challenge, but we have to do it. As patients, we need the confidence in these products. We need to be confident that they're safe and effective and consistent and stable. And so it's not a challenge we can shirk off.